If you've been struggling with blurry text or screen display issues on Windows 11, 10, 7, or 8, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some easy steps to fix those issues and make everything look sharp again. First things first, let's check your display settings. Sometimes Windows may not automatically set the correct scaling for your monitor. To adjust this, right click anywhere on your desktop and select display settings. Here, scroll down to scale and layout. Now here you can see options like display resolution and scale. Simply make sure the resolution is set to the recommended value for your display. For most monitors, this will be 1920 by 1080 or higher. Then the scaling, if it's set to anything on the other than 100%, you can try changing it to 100% first, or you can also simply try to simply keep the recommended one. Now let's improve the text clarity. Windows has a built-in feature called clear type to help with text rendering. To access it, type clear type nan, click on adjust clear type text. Make sure clear type is enabled and then follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the text to look best for your display. This should smooth out the text and make it easier to read. Another reason to blurry screens could be outdated graphic drivers. To check and update your drivers, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapter section, right-click on your graphic card and select Update Driver. You can either search automatically for updated driver software, or you can visit website for the latest drivers. If none of these solutions work, you might want to try resetting your PC. Go to Settings, and on System, go to Recovery and click on Reset PC. Be sure to back up your files first, as this will reinstall Windows and might fix deeper software related issues. And that's it. That's how you fix blurry screen and font text in Windows 11.